5 and 5, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1, 10 and 0. Hello smart minds, welcome back to Zippy Learning. We are starting to provide lessons on mental math. Today's magic trick is with numbers. This lesson will help the kids to understand number bonds as pair of numbers that make a total. It will build a strong foundation for addition and subtraction. Two numbers can be best friends because they add up to a special number. Let's make pairs of number 10 with this color pencil. 5 color pencil is on my left hand and 5 color pencil is on my right hand. 5 and 5 are best friends because they can make 10. Let's try more pair. 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5. Let's play a first game. I will say a number. You will shout the another number that makes 10 with it. If I say 3, you will say 7. If I say 6, you will say 4. If I say 0, you will say 10. If I say 2, you will say 8. Now, here is your Zippy challenge. Draw a rainbow and match number pairs that make 10. This challenge helps your kids to perform addition and subtraction easily within seconds. That's it for today, Zippy learners. You have learned the magic of number bonds. Next time, we will play with doubles. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more fun with numbers. Bye for now.